I'm doing server alarm, and this is mini system test 14. Got a bit of a neat surprise today. No, it's not what's behind this curtain. And I'm going to be making a video of this stuff pretty soon. Just need to get some stuff together first. The surprise today is I got a Simplex 425120. What a surprise, isn't it? And I've also got a pair of True Alerts, and they're synchronized. They're both identical. They're both the exact same model number. 75 candela strobes and 4-wire. And I got a Simplex True Alarm smoke detector. You'll notice the placement of the LED. This detector is addressable. It's hooked up to my Simplex 4010. Yeah. This panel, I believe, is new, but was thrown out because something messed up on it or something, I don't know. The problem is, it's permanently in trouble because NAC 2 is actually shorted. I don't know why. It's something in the circuit board. I'm not going to try to fix it because it's too much work. So NAC 2 is shorted permanently, and it just kind of disappointing, but still, it's a 4010. It's a pretty good panel. It just has a couple of quirks because, you know, that's Simplex. But anyway, so guess without further ado, I'll just mention first that these are in code 3. So here we go with the pull station. 3, 2, 1. There. Now to show that they are synchronized, I'm going to grab the front page of the 4010 manual and hold it up to the strobes. And you can't even see that on the video, but in real life I can see it, that they're synchronized. Fail. So, let's do the detector now. Solo. Now I don't know what it is. I think Simplex might have made a deal with Solo or something, because these things go into alarm faster than any smoke detector I've seen when you test them with Solo. Which is kind of interesting. And also, not sure if you noticed also, but the horns came on before the light on the detector came on. Kind of odd. So, yeah. I didn't label that one for some reason. So, system reset. This thing's probably going to refuse to reset like it normally does, though. Whenever I test the detector, for some reason it fails to reset each time. That's Simplex for you. My goodness. See? Try that again. So while you wait, let's look inside. So there, as you can see, there's the circuit board. NAC 2 has no resistor. I didn't bother because it's screwed up anyway. There's the SLC, and Simplex is the only panel on the planet where it's Class A by default, and if you want it to be Class B, you have to put jumpers between them. I've never seen that at any other panel. And there's some batteries. Those are stickers on the batteries. These batteries were pulled from a real system, and they failed the 60% of their life left battery test. And so I took them because they're just enough to clear the battery trouble, but they won't last long at power failure. It's a demonstration system, so that doesn't matter. But still, it may have its problems, but 4010 is still a pretty nice system. And if it were completely normal, like if it had absolutely no problems, and I could get a good deal on brand new True Alarms, it could have been my home system if it never got the 4005. So, have a nice day, everybody. And Notifier is better.